In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify email for your first campaign. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank store to a fully scheduled email campaign using Shopify's own tools. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the page for the search bar. Click into that search field, and from the drop-down options that appear, choose Apps. This is a quick way to jump into the app section without hunting through menus. In the search box that appears, type messaging and press enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store with results related to messaging. From the search results, look for the app called Shopify Messaging. When you've found it, click into it, then install the app and follow all of the on-screen installation prompts. These might include granting permissions or confirming that the app can access certain parts of your store. Once the installation is complete, you'll be taken automatically to the Shopify messaging dashboard. Here, look to the top right corner and click Create Campaign to start building your first email. You'll now see a range of email templates. These are pre-designed layouts that make it easier and faster to create a professional-looking campaign. On the left side of the screen, you'll find filters you can use to narrow down templates by purpose, such as promotions, announcements, or newsletters. Take a moment to browse and pick the one that best matches your goal for this first campaign. When you've decided on a template, click on it. A pop-up will appear with a larger preview so you can get a better look at the layout. If you're happy with what you see, click Select in the pop-up. This opens the email editor. At the top, in the email details section, find the Select Segment drop-down field. This is where you choose who will receive this email. Click the drop-down and pick the audience segment you want to target for this campaign. If you already have customer groups or segments set up, they'll appear here. Next, customize the rest of your email details. Edit the subject line so it's clear and compelling, update the preview text, and then adjust the content of your email itself. When you click any element in the email preview, the editing and styling options for that element will appear in the left sidebar. Use these controls to change text, images, colors, and layout to match your brand and message. Once you're happy with the design and the content, look to the top right and click Review. This step lets you double-check everything before it goes out. Carefully review the email details, the audience segment, and the content to make sure there are no typos and everything looks correct for your first campaign. When everything looks good, click Schedule Send in the top right. A pop-up will appear where you can decide when the email should go out. You can choose to send it now, schedule it for tomorrow, or pick a custom date and time if you want to plan further ahead. After choosing your preferred send time, click Schedule or Send at the bottom right of the pop-up. Your first Shopify email campaign is now set up and on its way according to the schedule you selected.